What if one day we all woke up with the ability to breathe underwater? Sounds like a sci-fi dream, right? But imagine the world if oceans became our new cities. This isn't just about swimming with dolphins. It's about a complete revolution in human civilization. First, let's talk about the incredible possibilities. The 70% of our planet covered by water would suddenly become prime real estate. We'd build breathtaking cities nestled in coral reefs, powered by the immense energy of ocean currents and geothermal vents. These new underwater metropolises, free from the constraints of land, could pioneer incredible architectural and technological advancements. Think bioluminescent lighting, vertical farms growing sea vegetables, and transportation systems that mimic the graceful movement of marine life. We could finally explore the deepest, darkest parts of the ocean, like the Mariana Trench, unlocking secrets that have been hidden for millennia. Imagine the new resources we'd discover: minerals, energy sources, and maybe even new forms of life that could revolutionize medicine and science. Humanity would essentially have a second home, a whole new frontier to explore and settle. The population pressure on land would ease, and a new era of expansion would begin. But with new frontiers come new conflicts. This underwater expansion wouldn't be a peaceful utopia for long. Nations would race to claim the most resource-rich parts of the seabed. The Atlantic Ridge, full of valuable minerals, could become the flashpoint for the first global underwater conflict. We'd see the rise of powerful new navies, not just with submarines, but with entire armies of aquatic soldiers. Underwater borders would be drawn, fortified, and fought over. Espionage would take on a whole new dimension, with spies lurking in deep-sea canyons. The geopolitical map would be completely redrawn, with landlocked nations suddenly finding themselves at a huge disadvantage. The struggle for control over the ocean, as vast wealth could lead to wars far more devastating and widespread than anything we've seen on the surface. New weapons, designed for underwater combat, would be developed, turning the serene ocean depths into a battlefield. And perhaps the most devastating consequence would be the destruction of the marine ecosystem. Humans aren't exactly known for being gentle with new environments. Our underwater cities would generate massive amounts of waste, polluting the pristine waters and poisoning marine life. The noise and light from our settlements would disrupt the natural behaviors of whales, dolphins, and countless other creatures. We'd likely overfish to feed our new populations and strip mine the ocean floor, destroying fragile habitats like coral reefs that have taken thousands of years to form. Entire species, unable to adapt to our sudden, invasive presence, would be driven to extinction. The delicate balance of the ocean's food web would collapse. The very beauty and wonder that drew us into the sea in the first place would be annihilated by our own hands. We would turn the vibrant, living ocean into a barren, industrial wasteland. So, while breathing underwater sounds like a superpower, it could ultimately lead to our downfall. We'd gain a new world, but at what cost? We might conquer the oceans, but in doing so, we could destroy both them and ourselves. It's a powerful reminder that with great ability comes even greater responsibility. What do you think? Would we create a paradise or a watery apocalypse? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey into the deep, make sure to like and subscribe for more what-if scenarios. See you next time.